In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off your activity status on Instagram. So once you're logged into the Instagram app and you're on the home page, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Then you want to go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. And then you want to tap on settings, and this is an Android device, so it'll look slightly different on an iOS device, but this will work on both. Tap on settings, and then you want to go to privacy, and then it says activity status. You tap on that, and then it says show activity status. You have the option to toggle that off, and now you will appear offline on Instagram. So that is how you turn off your activity status on Instagram in 2020. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.